Hi, Mac, German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I'll meet or beat any eBay price for the exact same item with shipping. Post this video. 2000, or actually, hell, 1980 through 2014, all Audi and Volkswagen doors, $175. Complete doors for any Audi or Volkswagen for $175. That comes with all attachments, glass, window regulator, lock, latch. No side mirror though. For front doors, no side mirror included. But everything else you get. $175. These are '09 Audi A4 doors, $175 each. Here's 2005 Audi A4 B7 doors, $175 each. '09 Jetta doors, $175 each. Beetle doors, $175 each. Here's a 10 Beetle convertible, $175 each. There's an '09 Audi A3, $175 each. 2010 Golf, 2004 Touareg doors, $175 each. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. Any door, 1980 that I have, complete doors with all attachments, $175. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.